Talks. My name is Arun, and I'm solutions architect with Rackspace, which is a great place to work. Well, we have entire playlist for Cosmos DB, which would help you to understand it much better. But in this video, from AZ-305 perspective, we will understand the designing for Cosmos DB, as you can see right here. So let's try to understand these things, which will help us to understand Cosmos, kind of recapping, and then we'll try to put it in a perspective for designing. So today's application, we all know, required to be highly responsive and always online. As you can see, the application that we use, Facebook, WhatsApp, Amazon, you'll find Netflix, all those applications are highly responsive, always online. To achieve low latency and high availability, instances of these applications need to be deployed in data centers that are close to their user. Because network travel, So applications need to respond in real time to large changes in usage at peak hours, store ever increasing volumes of data, and make this data available to users in milliseconds. To meet these requirements and many more, we have Azure Cosmos DB. So I'm not saying the examples that I've gave you were using Azure Cosmos DB, but those applications had those features which, to achieve those features, we need something like Azure Cosmos DB for those kind of applications. So Azure Cosmos DB is a fully managed, it's a PaaS service, so fully managed NoSQL database service. It's not a SQL, it's NoSQL. All right, we store semi-structured, unstructured data, and this service is used for modern application development. As you can see, when we talk about the modern application, let's take an example of the microservices. One of the feature of the microservices, you can write all those microservices in different languages, and you can use different databases at the backend. So there you go. It has single-digit millisecond response times and guaranteed speed at any scale. As a fully managed service, Azure Cosmos DB manages the admin overhead with automatic management, updates, and patching, just like any other PaaS services. It also handles capacity management with cost-effective serverless and automatic scaling options that respond to application needs to match capacity with demand. So just like you could say, because it's a NoSQL, so it can scale horizontally too, not like Azure SQL database, because that's a SQL and that cannot scale horizontally. You can have read replica, that's a different story. So it gives you serverless option as well. It is cost effective. You need not to go and define the capacity. It will handle that as per the requirement. All right, so I have mentioned few amazing features of Cosmos DB that will guide us, that will drive us to utilize this wonderful resource on Azure to develop modern application. So let's go them one by one. Well, real-time access with fast read and write latency globally, and throughput and consistency, all backed by SLAs. How this is possible? There was very much detailed discussion we have done in our Cosmos DB playlist. You can check that out if you would like to. Then it's a multi-region rights and data distribution to any Azure region with the click of a button. Independently and elastically scale storage and throughput across any Azure region, even during unpredictable traffic burst or unlimited scale worldwide. Deeply integrated with key Azure services used in modern app development like functions, IoT Hub, AKS, App Service, and many more. And then we have it supports multiple APIs, including the native core SQL, Mongo, Cassandra, Gremlin, Table. Then it is all these APIs are discussed in very deep in the playlist. I'm saying again and again because that's a wonderful playlist, like 18 or 20 videos that could definitely help you out to understand Cosmos if you would like to dive it deeper. So Azure Cosmos DB schemaless service automatically indexes all your data regardless of the data model or deliver blazing fast queries, schemaless automatic indexing. Got it? And availability, of course, it guarantees business continuity, 99.999% availability, and enterprise level security for every application, encryption addressed with self-managed keys. Azure RBAC keeps your data safe and offer fine-tuned control. So these are some amazing features that will help you understand when to choose this wonderful resource. Now, if you're wondering how come all these APIs can be utilized for the same kind of data, well, Azure Cosmos DB is flexible and stores data in ARS format, which is atom record sequence. The data is then abstracted and projected as an API. So Azure Cosmos DB offers multiple database APIs to provide native interface for a range of NoSQL databases. Using these APIs, Azure Cosmos DB help you to use the ecosystem, tools, and skills you already have for data modeling and querying. That's the beauty. All right, well, this is just the intro, recapping, refreshing your mind. In next video, we'll try to check out the APIs and designing for the more. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.